In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Charles Schwab phone number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after the change so your account stays secure and up to date. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Schwab website. Sign into your account using your credentials and complete any two-step verification if it pops up. That's normal and helps keep your account safe. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page for the profile option. Click that, then choose contact information. This is the central hub for your personal details. On the contact information page, find the phone number currently listed on your account. If you see more than one number, identify the one you want to update and click Edit next to it. Carefully type your new phone number. Take a moment to double-check every digit before you continue. If you're outside the United States or you travel frequently, make sure the country code and format are correct so you can receive security text and calls without issues. If there's a field to set a primary number, confirm the right one is marked as primary so alerts reach you reliably. When you're confident everything looks right, click Save. While you're there, this same contact information section is the place to review and update your email and mailing address. Keeping all three current helps ensure you receive important notifications and account alerts without delay. After you click Save, you may be asked to verify the new number. Typically, Schwab will send a one-time passcode to the number you just entered. Keep your phone handy, watch for the text or call, and enter the code promptly, since these codes often expire quickly. You might also receive a security alert letting you know that a change was made on your account. That's expected and is simply an extra layer of protection. In most cases, the change takes effect immediately. To confirm, refresh the contact information page and make sure the new number is displayed. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or sign out and back in. For peace of mind, the next time you're prompted for a security code, make sure it arrives at your new number. That's it. Update the number, verify if asked, and watch for a confirmation alert. Remember, your phone, email, and address all live in the same place under Profile, then Contact Information, so it's easy to keep everything accurate. Thanks for watching, and keep your details current to help protect your account.